It's a 2006 Haas VM3. It's May 2023. Machine is under power in Oxnard. You can see the inside. Screen right now, it's running 5,000 RPM. Has a coolant tank and pump. USB port. Remote jog handle. Again, it's running 5,000 right now. So we will, it's not all the way warmed up, but you can hear it's quiet. There's 8,000. So I'm going to stop the spindle and then run the, I'll move the axes. There's the y-axis. Now we'll do X. Now Z. Z and make a tool change. Again, 2006 Haas VM3 Cat 40 24 tool side mount, 220 volt, high speed machining, and ready to go. That's it.